FHA SFR Appraising Handbook 4000.1, page 198. E. Narrative comments. The completion of this section is critical to the opinion of market value. The appraiser must discuss all adverse conditions and observed physical and functional deficiencies noted. If necessary, use an addendum for additional discussion or description. Appraisers must follow UAD instructions for formatting the first part of this section and must clearly communicate the observations, analysis, and conclusions. The UAD field-specific requirements are not a substitute for and do not exempt FHA roster appraisers from the requirement to provide adequate explanations in the addendum of the reporting form regarding methodology, anomalies, property deficiencies, and other conditions that may have an impact upon the value of a property and its marketability. Field, additional features, protocol. Use this space to describe special energy efficient features such as solar energy or geothermal systems or to further describe the additional features. Please elaborate on any special or unusual aspects of items, for instance, gas fireplace or wood burning fireplace. Field, condition of the property, including needed repairs, deterioration, renovations, remodeling, etc. Protocol, describe any physical deterioration or functional or external depreciation noted in or on the property. UAD requires the overall condition type, update within the last 15 years indicator, and improvement area type. Provide a conclusion as to the overall condition of the improvements that is supported by the previous descriptive sections. FHA requires the appraiser to list deficiencies or lack of compliance with NPS or NPR. The reported property condition must be consistent with the reconciled condition of the appraisal. If the appraisal is completed subject to repair, the reported condition is the condition of the property as repaired. Page 199. Field, physical deficiencies or adverse conditions. Protocol. Enter an X in the applicable box indicating whether or not there are any physical deficiencies or adverse conditions that affect the livability, soundness, or structural integrity of the property. If the response is no, no explanation is required or needed. If the response is yes, a full and detailed explanation is required, and if necessary, condition the appraisal on the repair or alteration of the condition or a required inspection by appropriately qualified individuals or entities. Which may include professional engineers, tradespersons, or HUD fee inspectors. Lead-based paint hazard for condominium units built before 1978. The appraiser must inspect the interior of the unit and exterior surfaces and appurtenant structures of the specific unit being appraised. Address the overall condition, maintenance, and appearance of the condominium project. The appraiser must note the condition and location of all defective paint in the interior of the unit and require repair. Field, property conformity. Protocol, enter an X in the applicable box indicating whether or not the subject generally conforms to the neighborhood. Functional utility, style, condition, use, construction, etc. If the response is yes, no explanation is required or needed. However, if the response is no, an explanation is required. The following table provides instruction for completing the condition rating format. in the expanded comments portion of the unit description section of the report form. The UAD format includes a series of defined condition and quality ratings to assist the reader in clearly understanding the appraiser's opinion of the quality and condition of the subject property. Condition ratings, C1. Definitions. The improvements have been very recently constructed and have not previously been occupied. The entire structure and all components are new, and the dwellings features no physical depreciation. Condition rating, C2. Definitions. The improvements feature no deferred maintenance, little or no physical depreciation, and require no repairs. Virtually all building components are new or have been recently repaired, refinished, or rehabilitated. All outdated components and finishes have been updated and or replaced with components that meet current standards. Dwellings in this category are either almost new or have been recently completed, renovated, and are similar in condition to new construction.